Guys, I just found this in my mom's phone. It's my friend. Look. Ay! What is that? Nothing. Just watching some shirts. What is that? Not, I said nothing, ha? Nothing. Wala. Di yung kasabot ay. What is that, bro? And just nothing. What is this? I'm going to find something. Bastos sa bataan eh. No, Claire! Jay! Oh. Jay! Ini to! Kami. Anong magdegayaw? Wah! One bad spirit. Sorry, God. Guys, I'm finding some funny videos. And I found this.
Oh, yeah, thank you for the ice cream. So good. Wow, delicious strawberry. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good.
Ito pa. Gani po to. Isa It's fountain. It's not founded, guys. Ito. Or Filipino. Ikaw na! Yeah. Sige, English. Sige, English. Ito pa. I'm sorry, guys. So, we need to go bye-bye. It's alas 8 na.